Happy holidays, everyone! My name is Hema. Welcome back to my channel, and we are now doing look number 4 in 12 days of makeup. So as always, I'm just going to color correct first, and then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation and applying that all over my face. I'm then going in with L'Oreal Infallible's Full Wear Concealer in shade 360 Cashmere, and I'm just applying that under my eyes, forehead, nose, cupid bow, and chin. Then I'm taking shade 400 in Caramel to contour my face with, so just my cheeks, my jawline, carving out my nose, and adding a little under my lips to give them a fuller look. And then from the Balm Cosmetics, I'm using this Luminizer palette, and I'm just going in with Betty Luminizer to contour with. Then I'm setting my under eyes and all the areas I concealed with my Huda Beauty powder in Banana Bread. Then adding my favorite eyeshadow primer by Milani to my eyelids. This next clip shows my attempt at this look for my first try. I didn't like it, so I wiped it away and I started fresh. So now I'm taking my James Charles palette and I'm starting with this red shade and then using the 3 gold shades for the center of my lid. I'm going to start with the red shade and apply that to my outer corner and inner corner of my eyes and connect that. And then I'm adding directly to the center of my lid my gold shade. So the reason why I left the original clip in is because I wanted to show people that you may not always get something right on the first try, so I wouldn't let that discourage you. I then just grabbed another palette and started fresh, so I hope that someone can learn from this. And then just to highlight under my eyebrows, I'm taking that shimmery white eyeshadow, and then I'm going in with mascara before I apply lashes today. And I'm just taking Kiss Lashes in the number 11 and applying that directly to my lash line as closely as I can. Okay, here's both eyes done, and then I'm just grabbing my Studio Fix powder by MAC, brushing away any excess eyeshadow fallout and setting my face. I'm then grabbing the same red shade and going under my eyes with that as well. And for a little pop to your eyes, you can add a little bit of gold eyeshadow to your inner corners to complete the eyes. Going back to the Balm Luminizer palette, I'm just going in with Mary Luminizer on my cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, and chin to highlight with. And I'm just taking this gold eyeshadow by Sephora and popping that right onto the center of my eyes. For today's lips, I'm just using the MAC Cosmetics Antique Velvet shade to line my lips first, and then I'm going in with Maybelline's shade 545 in Beige Babe right on top of that. Then to set my face, I'm using my favorite NYX matte setting spray. And that is my look. Here's the final shot. This is my final look, you guys, and I mean, come on, who said brown girls can't rock red eyeshadow? I mean, I've heard it before, and I really hope this proves them wrong. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for notifications.